Being stiff in the thoracic spine is a real problem for the lower back and the shoulder, let alone the thoracic spine itself. So using my favourite 5 techniques in this simple routine, we're going to improve the thoracic mobility into extension, which is tough for most people, but also improving rotation as well. Let's get into it. So to begin with, we're going to look at the long lie. Although it looks like I'm not doing anything here, laying on your back in this way allows the ligament on the front of the spine to lengthen, especially if you can stay here for 3 minutes or more. It's a great way to decompress the spine also from sitting all day or loading the spine with weights in an exercise setting, for example. While you're on the roller in this way, it's a great time to practice deep diaphragmatic breathing and to mobilise the junction at the base of the neck and the upper back using head rotation, as you can see here. Breathing in, I push the back of my hand down gently into the floor. Breathing out, I switch sides, gently rotating the head, not carrying the head but just allowing the head to roll across the top of the roller, and I switch the hands over too, so the hand that we're looking towards is facing down. Next is the longitudinal rolling. So using the foam roller to run up and down the length of the upper back is a nice way to prep the tissues of the spine, increasing blood flow in them and perhaps relieving any trigger points that may be in the muscles there. Quite a simple one this, looking to do about 10 repetitions or as many as needed if there are some particular tight spots. Thoracic extensions, so using the foam roller in the following way, we can get the spine into extension. This is where most people are particularly tight, so take your time with this. Position the roller at the bottom of the middle third of your back and breathe a deep belly breath in as you extend the spine over the roller. Only go as far as you can with the upper back and not making the neck or the lower back do the work, which is the common mistake, and I've got another video on this which I'll place in the description below. Keep working this way all the way up to the top of the spine, so near the shoulder blades. You'll feel the shoulder blades hit the roller at a certain point. Next is the prone rotations with the foam roller. The thoracic spine needs to be able to rotate effectively as well, so for this I like to use the prone spinal rotation movement here. Set up on all fours and use the roller on one side to assist with a smooth rolling action across to the opposite side. Make sure that you are maintaining the neutral curvature each time you come back to the start position. You don't want to be hunching over, which is quite a common mistake to make with this. Also, don't force rotation. Allow the spine to open up as you become more supple and you do more and more of this. Breathe in as you rotate and out again as you return to the start position. Finally, we're going to look at the FELDENKRAIS exercise. It's fantastic for integrating the function of the shoulder and the thoracic spine, something that can be problematic when the spine is immobile. So start by laying on your side with a neutral spine. Imagine that you're drawing a bow and arrow, and with as little effort as possible, allow the spine to rotate. One vertebrae at a time, smoothly rotate away from the hands, from the head down to the sacrum. And then when you're ready to breathe out again, return to the start position, one vertebrae at a time, from the sacrum back up towards the head. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Give it a try and see you next time.